Hi guys, welcome back. So today in this video, we are going to do Momo challenge. So like whoever win will get this money. Whoever win will get 600 which we have collected 200 each among us. So
Whoever wins will get this money. Let's see what we have different design of Momo. You can try this. First bite. It's spicy.
I think our Momo is very stylish.
It's yummy.
This is giant Momo.
That's very good. It's very tasty. What? Just let me have this. Say this today. I can't do it.
Kamu tahu itu enggak? Aku di spot. Aku bakal itu.
Hold on. Seriously.
Oh. Coba ya, coba dulu.
Enggak. Sorry. Yang sih kan.
Enggak banyak. Mesti dong. Yes, we'll get money.
Itu punya doang. Coba. Oke.
Oh, aduh. Ada di sini.
Yang kotak.
Jadi nggak ada lah.
Kotak. Aku boleh nggak?
One is left, Jack Momo.
Sian dia ni.
지금 이거 말해요.
Lu kemana dia? Ah.
Siapa deh?
Ano? I'm a big fan of Amongst.
Solid and
Yeah. Good. Yeah. How was it?
but you have to finish it.
Yeah. I don't eat down. I think I'm done. I don't need anymore. So I was.
Since you're going to say something, doesn't it?
And please do suggest what we are going to do next.
Tama na.
Hindi ko man.
Ito din sila.
Pwede mo din ibigay sa ano? Ha? Ito get? What? Bayan ka nila?
Ano pa lang?
Ito lang. Kaya mo kasi ano? Hindi. Ano ko na?
Ito naman daw pala. Ito. Ako gusto lang.
Hindi ko sa.
Bet mo siya.
I'm very full.
So let's end here for this. So since she's the winner, she won the cash.
Woo!
I'm a big fan of Momo, guys.
Yeah.
So what do you want to do with this?
Shopping tomorrow.
What are you going to buy?
Momo.
Again, Momo.
Again time. Okay, so we are done. If you've
Thank you so much
enjoyed,
for watching.
if you've enjoyed watching our video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And then we'll see you on our next video. So please stay tuned. Bye
And
guys.
as you said
Supporting.
earlier, please to suggest what you're going to do next.
This
Video.
video.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.